obodo kwelugono Chukwuka Dibia ọhaneze kwelugono ụmụ Chukwuka Dibia.
You're welcome to Yahweh with Pastor in the world. Author of Chukwu, everybody now warrior, not confound. The spiritual or the physical, the supernatural power. Oh, Jimmy that warrior. Oh, now why do you come and that way? Oh, Jimmy that warrior. Share the telecast.
Oh, Lord, I wish that you could have one door. I know America. When you're supposed to tell me, I'll bring you when I go. David Yahweh, Supremo, A to Z production.
David Yahweh.
Inona Sabancha, Inona Italy, Inona Dibia, Inona South Africa, Inona Dubai, Emirati, Inona Philadelphia, Memo. Chukwuka Dibia, Chukwuka Dibia,
It's a wonderful thing to be here once more again, and I want to appreciate everyone. All my sons and daughters, all my partners. May God bless you. This program will soon kickstart. You know, it's good. You understand? If one year more keep don't be envy. It's not easy. I'm not easy. I'm going to keep perform the miracle. I'm not easy. Okwuluora, but I'm a doctor. Can go one person booking problem, guys? Come on. Dr. Chukwuka Dibia Agwo. We celebrate you. You're trying. But trying is not good enough because we need solution to kidney problem. Not calling Sorudo, bring money, Pitamba, bring money, Alessoti, bring money, Opusarima, bring money, E-money, Obi Kubana, and Don Jazzy, bring money every day. It didn't solve anything. We're already making avenue for doctors to be eating money and creating more havoc in Igbo land. When I tell you there's no hospital in the world who can cure spiritual sickness, you think I'm joking. my 3 brothers died in the hospital after spending millions. Now, I want to ask you one simple question. All those people that are contribute 50 million, 100 million, 100 something million, 80 million, and then on the after everything. Or when in Kenya, I don't know. Yes or no? No. After all the millions, we still have them, the person will die. Or I can today go diagnose. If you start diagnosing, the person still die. Is that solution? No. So this is no longer time for politics. For me to come out, at least my life, go to Anambra State, take challenge that was supposed to put me inside prison, but because I'm genuine. And I came out. Before you come out and claim NGO like Matthias, you must prove your miracle. If you not so, I got to leave. There's no more politics in the Igbo land. Call you NGO, call you fake pastor, call you fake native doctor, call you whatever, and call yourself. Anything you do, you must prove it. If you claim you doctor, you even want to kill me. What's I know for you work life? You claim money na go high BP. Go say your phone you work life. You claim not like spiritual. Go say why in that now why they die like people like Matthias. Why and go. And I just came. Why I'm making this utterances to let you know that as the about the child the hour has come. Because you can see the lot of people that is dying in Anambra State, in Imo State, in Enugu State, in Abia State, in Delta State. People are dying like chicken. Kidney problem. Children of 3 years, children of 10 years, children of 15 years, they are all dying for kidney problem. What is the cause? The same fake NGOs. Kaga, be able to fake drink. New nego, una pata promote oya, na nego tina. The same criminals. You're losing money. Have you tell people to stop eating Indomie? Have you make a vow, tell people to stop drinking those bitters? Because in the morning, they are all doing bitters in one day and wonder why. Can you call them out and tell them to stop doing the bitters? No. Let me tell you. I've been watching you, Okwuluora, for over 5 years. Yes, you have the fame, you make money and everything. Which, if my page is available, you don't have fame more than me. The only thing that you people do, anytime I came out, you hack my page. Because if what I'm doing is not hidden water, why did I come for Anambra? Soruda Anambra Hidden Challenge. People hack my page. No blogger. Okwuluora, even with more than 50 people now here, if you're not a thief, you would have told them to go to David Yahweh. Okwuluora, if you name and I didn't no more job, they can go and Kobe State. Okwuluora, Mbaka de Kren on Agwo. Have you carried those your kidney patient to go to Mbaka Yabonogwa? If Mbaka cannot heal them, then if Mbaka mention him again, government should close the church. That's level here now. I've taken my challenge. I went to Sorudo. I've taken my challenge. So all the pastors, prophets, evangelists, what do you call it? Reverend Father, everybody must come out and prove his miracle. If you're doing NGO, why after collecting money from people and people still die? You should have questions to answer. So if that is not working, they should stop bothering people. I only made one request. Why I come for Anambra State to say I am taking challenge is not because of Sorudo. Because Sorudo is not a spiritual man. Before Sorudo, we have been into ministry. Before Sorudo, I am even one that prayed the prayer that Sorudo used to enter Anambra State. Is it Sorudo that fight Okite? No. How did Sorudo fight Okite? Okite have already conquered Okite before Sorudo, so you can't take the credit. Nobody can take the credit. If you're the one that fight Okite, let them give you sick people. Okay, go for Sorudo, then I give me 100 people, I will kill them. I'm not afraid of anybody. If you not get you go in Sorudo, you're owing me, and you're gonna pay it. He can bring out a great prophet like me in Anambra State. Now, the sign paper, yes, I received your everything. I am sorry, that period was your birthday. I understand. But we're still waiting for you. Because he must, for us to come to Anambra State and prove that miracle, he must acres of land and build a spiritual hospital to prove to the mother that no hospital in the world can cure spiritual sickness. Tag it and share it. I not say Sorudo give me money. I never go to any governor and say, give me money. I'm only come for Anambra State because my people are dying. Dying in kidney problem, dying in high blood pressure, dying in spiritual sickness. And after all those miracles, bloggers will not carry it because all the bloggers are criminals. 80% of the bloggers, I said few, sorry, not all. Some bloggers are criminals. If you don't collect money from Okite, you know, I call one blogger, I said I should give him 1 million naira. Bloggers are supposed to come and promote. Now Agwo, you're free. I said I should give him 1 million. I call another, I said I should give him 500,000. I said, how much will I contribute to give me? Me that enter flight from Lagos come to Anambra State, spend 10 days. Ego ne kono through in 10 million, now free healing. In free healing, you asking me to give you 1 million. If I come and say people give me money, say the prophet is a criminal. He's asking you're a blogger. You're supposed to carry this news. Tell people. Show me who showed the miracle. Show me one brother. If you people are not a fake life, and because he's not a Bukobina, that's why he cannot carry it. Because he's not Matthias, that's why he can't carry it. Because he's not a Kurola. Don't Hana. I team together Zundi boy. I don't associate with criminals, fake bloggers, and fake pastors and fake this thing. Because I am not part of your occultic and manipulation nonsense. I will never be part of it. I rejected billion from kingdom of darkness. Before all of you, I'm already multi-millionaire. Go and ask where I am. Who is Okwuluora? He may have kidney plan. They will die after 6 months. What are you talking about? I will tell you who can heal. Have you brought people? We ask him one thing. Abuni Boya Anambra State. You were not going to fake evangelists. Okay, now why have been kidnapped? Because someone this Joseph's father meet me, I will tell him he don't need to go around. No, I'm not going to Nigeria. Go onye HIV in Italy. Go onye cancer na Germany. Go onye kidney problem na America. Go medical doctor and go many people without coming to Nigeria. Joseph, Papa Joseph went to pray in the Roman Catholic mountain. Kidnapper kidnapped him. I'm sorry for that. But are you a pastor? Are you? This is nonsense. When we are doing festival, don't showcase it on the internet. This is nonsense. They will go with that brought. That's not name. You don't make it. Image, but be a miracle. Okwuluora, you are able to be at 5 and 6. You'll be promoting. Carry those your sickness people. Take it to Ebukobi now. If Ebukobi can heal them, if you make a noise again about healing, government should go and close the church. That is the standard. Don't come here be parading people. Hey, I have to go. Why you when the only man I go to your you have evangelist Ebukobi. He is more than everybody. God punish all of you there. Who is celebrating you? Only people that are celebrating you are fools. About take we have many cases. Go down, my doctor, everything. Now you're living well. Why do man now? Is that the solution? Okay, let us build a kidney plant in Anambra State, or in Enugu State, or in Imo State. That money, is it not enough to build it? Why does it have to be every time? I have to check this year, 2026. I got to pay next year. I got to quite upper year. That's the time you're in the hospital for almost 2 weeks. Did everybody? I want you to go. Anything we are doing, you create an impact that even though you're not available, to start working. You can fool the true prophet. Because I know the carry chaplain itself. Or come boy chaplain no be. I know carry chaplain. See, I don't buy. Back and say no go buy chaplain. There's nothing in this thing. This is demonic. This is the nonsense. There's nothing in this. It's not chaplain. It's your faith that God needs. See it. If you have this water, I cannot heal kidney. But if I have it, I will heal somebody that have kidney. What are you talking about? If you have this person, you cannot deliver somebody that have witchcraft. But if I want this water, I can deliver any kind of person. If you don't know it's bigger than you. And this is narrative. Matthias, I was in Anambra State. He saw the miracle I did in prison 20 years ago, 10 years ago, 5 years ago. One guy enough for me to about almost like kidney problem, and they had it's almost a river's ferry. It was healed. After that, Matthias will do evangelist finish and run to Imo State. Why couldn't Matthias brought his member there? Why bring people that are sick? I mean, Anambra State for 10 years. God will punish all of you, Matthias, Onyohi. Criminals. The same thing with Okwuluora. Come on, get away. People that will celebrate you are fools. People are looking for politicians. I ain't done on Agwo. Go send your phone, you go. And go to where Agwo. They will come and castigate against the two people. She case of the cause of Tono. When I guess I don't know 1 naira to 2 naira. Can that money serve you for the kidney problem? No. But go where they will serve you, you will not come. Tomorrow they say God know the heat. God punish you there. I'll be better. I'm going to go here. Open up for a new condition, how God will hear it. Before now, last month, I asked when Okwuluora made a video, I told him, Okwuluora, bring 100 people that have kidney problem. Look at the worst. Let me work on them. But you cannot do it. It's like, hey, come on, donate money. David Yahweh, come on, donate money. God of fire you. We know all your strategies. All of you are doing NGO. You are thieves and criminals and evil. That is why they will say, oh, go to hospital. Do you know hospital have killed more people than any other thing? Do you know hospital and church have killed more people with the Nigerian government? Is it our duty to be donating money? Okwuluora, can't you call Nigerian government out to build a hospital for kidney plants? Free hospital. It's available in UK. It's available in China. It's available in all over the whole world. Why can't we have free kidney plants in Anambra State? This is why I went to meet Sorudo. It was on the proposal, they signed it and they acknowledged it. But that period was his own bad day. I'm waiting for him. Sorudo must share it. It's owing me. And if you do not pay me, I will not take it easy with him. He must give me acres of land, build free hospital there. About Ghana was spiritual sickness because no hospital in even Amako cannot heal more than me. Bring it up. No hospital in the world, no doctor in the world can heal more than me. Bring them out. Make we test them. Bring that doctor out. I am more than 500 doctors put together. Bring them out. Chana na egwu. Chana na egwu. Chana na bịara akọfisi akọ. Do I look like content creator? I know I put my body there. It isn't a joke. A woman that have 20 years sickness, I want a guy in Ado for 20 years. They have gone everywhere, no solution. It was healed. They hacked my page. Ask them who hacked my page. These are fake NGOs. To ego. We need solution. Have you people say stop doing fake drugs in Anambra State? Have you come out to say stop eating Indomie? Have you come out to ban all those sugar in the Ebundom? That causes a sugar problem. Have you come out to ban all those bread in Ebucha? So many sugar. Have you come out to ban all those spices in Ebundom? Have Nigerian government, are they blind to what is happening? Have they tested all those needles to know that they are part of the killings of Ndemadi? I want it. What stops Anambra government to ask Anambra people to contribute money so they will be cameras everywhere? Now they carry Jerusalem for everybody see. If they carry America, nobody cares. No. You will never do the needful thing. Like I want to be, let him be you. Sorudo is already in Anambra State. Are you the one? Before Okite, have never entered Anambra State government. Let me tell you. That's why I'm not, I'm equal to tax. Sorudo, if they give you one person that's sick, he can't hear it. I can hear it. If I can carry tomorrow. You are a politician. I am a spiritual warlord. So that is it. Okwuluora, if they give you one person that's sick, he can't hear it. Give me 100 people, I'll heal them. You're an NGO, scamming people. I am a healer. I am the most powerful African healer. Come on. You're not watching on Kitty Sense. My piano jajana. Those are your nonsense thief who is discussing. Nakasandi Wego, when I'm a big boy. Start acting God. Is it how you done? You make a back rub. Are you a pastor? If pastor is easy, So your parents is a pastor. Why you not do the pastor? Because you know pastor is not easy. And the people like you that will come and be speaking against prophet. Because if you never up and down. If you say the true prophet, you come and be comparing them. You may say man a miracle. The person will never be proud to thank God for what God did for you. Chineke kabacho no tell you no. Matthias Zugudo Nibo Zugudo Nibo now your account here almost how many million pack an account here. Then I put $1,000, $5,000. No more kuchari Matthias say go obuba. I say do you know how many people that killed by hospital? Let us talk it. If the Nigeria want to be good, 99 hospital should be closed down. Matthias, you have a hospital. Yeah, what is this standard to the hospital? Your PA died. You could not cure him. That's number one. So if you want anywhere, if you want to court, I will jail you. Come on, guys, that we have been following you. He take on to India, he died. So how it takes a person? How did you save somebody? Nobody. You have not saved anybody. Now they collected money from Ndi Igbo. Where they buy land business. Where they go to motor number. Where they buba. Where they not act a big boy. They not challenging Noka because of ego NGO. Do you challenge Noka when you have never started your NGO? Free money. I will for the wrong better. How did you care when Ndi Igbo was? Nekwane ma ezu go ha ma eju wanda na Ndi Igbo. Ezu go mention the video. When I told and comment and you did the video. But when I saw the miracle, why Ezu go not post the video? No, what stops him? If you are not fake, why you not post the video? The miracle, why you not post that? You see my video. You see a man that healed from kidney problem, from a stroke. Why you not post that for your page? No, you want to come and laugh your God. Chineke abon work. He thought I was joking. Now, listen to the threat. Upon all the threats, upon all this, they hacked my page 2 times. All of you are part of him and the NGO because he don't want people to know that God can heal. You go to 1,000. Hey, Mary, I told you you're going to be now 1 naira. Tomorrow, 4 hours. How many people can you cure? If you go be an parade as a great prophet, come and prove it. Come and prove it. Come and prove your miracle. Come on, man, I go sit down. I know if you compare your nonsense with me. You can't. We have been into this system for 30-something years. Spirituality. This is not religion. Religion talk nonsense. Give you. Share it. I am angry. Tomorrow they will die. Even if you do the kidney plant, they will still die. So kidney plant is not the solution. What is the solution? Dialysis is okay. What is the solution? Before dialysis, one nurse was telling me that many people that have dialysis, when they go to hospital, they are not the level to dialysis. Instead, doctors will tell them, go and fast, go and work on your diet, go and be eating this, stop eating noodles, stop eating bread, stop eating mineral, stop doing this, they will not tell you. The person will not enter dialysis because that's why they make money. That's why you see doctors now. Doctors are now even like a king. This is why it is in the prophetic ministry. A fake prophet is now richer than the free prophet. Bring that prophet in Nigeria. From Ebukobi to Mbaka to Ebukobi. Bring them down. Bring them there, they come prove the miracle. I'm there. If you call me tomorrow, once they are ready, I'm ready. I've done it. I will still prove it to you. That those people are criminals. 2.something billion a big daughter. You're building on top of 200-something billion. Why people are dying in your church? I know how many members I've healed. And this other that I came, I heal many people. They are all Roman Catholic. If I heal 100 people, 99 people is Roman Catholic. One is sick. He will not be proud of the Yahweh. But he will come in to come and he will come to back. I will pray for you. After praying for you, one useless idiot, one woman. This woman, 20 years, I healed his own brother from kidney problem. The time he would tell me, he said, I should read the video. He tried to come home here because I am not worthy to do miracle to you. But you are worthy to take the miracle. I said, madam, come, let me pray back that. You see, come over my dead body. I will never read the video. Any day you like, if you come, I will press hand on you. Madam, let that sickness come back. That sickness will start. I will leave you. I will go and read the video. I'm one how can I worry? Anyhow I want you to, I will go to the tax. The man that fought Agwo with all with over 10,000 native doctors, shot them down. When there's why you say, no, I'm not the one that fight Agwo. Who fight Agwo? They say useless as why. Who came and joined my partner? He paid 5,000 for me to deliver him. But I'm online on that common sense. Yes. He paid 5,000 to enter partner 2022. Useless in Enugu. He paid 5,000. Let us go and trace it. If it's not the truth, let police arrest me. If this is what they call Mama Gio in Enugu. If you did not pay 5,000 to enter my partner for me to deliver, I thought that is the one. Don't start. You never started. Only be wine 5 years now. Because it's the one. You a criminal, a woman. I said, well, no one ever do this wine for 5 years now. Because against the wine. I said, no, the church in car. The church in car. And they fucking what? It does not guarantee to get a church. Does not guarantee that you have this. You know, have the knowledge. No, come out. They come and come. Let us give you paper. So it's sign. Matthias, bring your doctor. Can you paper? Can you sign here? Can you go now? Can you go? Can you? I'll not be challenged. Can you go now? You go how you close your church down. You don't. If you 100,000 enough. Share the telecast. So you know Prophet David Yahweh Chukwuka. The most powerful prophet in the world and most powerful healer in Africa. I am a mobile hospital. Give by God, He can't take it away. If you like, hack my page 100 times. If you like, celebrate Okwuluora. If you like, celebrate Matthias. If you like, celebrate Dibia. I don't care. What I know. It come to Zion City. How many members of Dibia have I hit? How many members? Have been evidence? Go anywhere, I'll provide it. Evidence is here. How many members for Nomacatic have hit? How many pastors have delivered? How many days I have the problem with each other? If I open my phone and I see the people that are calling me, you know, go talk. Okay, I don't have member. I know they collect offering. How did I get the money to be doing all this thing? Go to people's club. I pay million day every year. I have a hall there, it's locked. Go to Agwo, you see who is paying for those things? Not 1 year, not 2 years. To tell you that not a clean Agwo Gunaya, only if I create one more spiritual warlord. The most powerful healer in Africa. Tested and trusted. I am the first person to start healing people on phone. I tell you, see, you know the funniest thing. You can't take it away from me. It's a gift. I pay my price. I lost my Range Rover to something million. When I was on the mountain, I sold cars to sow seed. I spent 5 years on the mountain. I spent 5 years inside, 10 years. If the Bible, somebody just come today, want to become like me. Do you know how many process I pass? Nothing good comes easy. There's no shortcuts. When it comes to politics, I would respect my governor, Sorudo, as a governor of Anambra State. But when it comes to spirituality, he must respect me. Because of money, he doesn't know it. Now, me shut down all the evil in Anambra State, and even before Sorudo starts to react, I can show you the video. After visiting Onyeze Jesus, I told Onyeze Jesus, I wasn't there. His brother was, I gave him money. I wanted to tell him, this nonsense you're doing will put you into problem. Onyeze Jesus was in knock. I say, hey, I don't want anybody help. He's not my friend. But I saw him suffer. I don't want him to pass through this thing. Now, it's a scapegoat. I said, I'm want to call it. Aqua Cassie Gent, not the way when you cook. And I buy and draw. Almost spiritual war or desire. Go ask question. The greatest witchcraft in Enugu, I died, let me destroy them. The more powerful witchcraft in Calabar, let me destroy them. The more powerful witchcraft in Lagos, let me destroy them. The most powerful witchcraft in Anambra State, let me destroy them. It should not go well. If you sign that competition. Do you know how many challenges I've taken? How many have you taken? Challenge, okay, let me take the challenge. Come out, Pewando Kitazu. Challenge. Mbana say, Bishop, can I for this guy? This guy that died, this is my old author. Bishop, this thing. I am not enter the water. If you couldn't, Jeremiah could not enter the water. So Jeremiah could not. They could not enter the water. I am not enter the water. I came out. After that, defeated that Igbo religion. Master Dibia making more with million will challenging all the pastors, challenging what do you call it? Vermont Anambra State. And I say about police. But he had power. Did the lighter call police to anybody? This is why people say you don't have power. Challenging Mbaka, challenging what do you call it? Ebukobi. Until I come out, if I did not come out, by now, Master Dibia would be making noise, shouting up and down with the middle wheeler and the other native doctors. When I came out, I told them about somebody else. They ran away, they know I mean it. I am a spiritual world, I carry 1.16 million angels. Share the telecast, you hear the questions. You don't celebrate your Almighty God that do miracle. You're celebrating a Kanama who do not understand the power of healing. You celebrate you for what you know, not what you don't know. I cannot allow you. Before you talk about the denouncing Christianity, I've denounced Christianity a long time ago. Yes. I used to have my ministry, Victory in Christ school ministry. God said no. Most of those people are marine kingdom. I bought things on TB Joshua, Jeremiah, Batenje, Major One, all other prophets in 2018. Then there's no miracle, there's no Akwoko, there's no Matthias. Go and check it on YouTube. So I'm not that they buy a TV Joshua, buy a Jeremiah, buy the craze and the mental. You know somebody died because of die on that process. When we are trying to save you people. After all those battles, I will come and be watching you. If you have nonsense, come on, guys, sit down. Come out and prove it now. Come out and now you're kidding here. Then we cannot clap for you. If you cannot be able to do something and finish it, you have never done nothing. I told you I will finish your kit. All those nonsense will go away for Anambra State. That's the word of prophet. Did it happen? Yes or no? I can remove it in Anambra State. You know what I told you? And I told you if Akwoko defeat me, I will break my altar. Did Akwoko defeat me? That's not how to know a prophet. The minute we don't say man power, you have a challenge. You know, be to talk. This is right. I know they come out. I told you I'm taking my last challenge. The last challenge I take is with the million and the Master Dibia. But this Oyena Agwo Bia Sorudo is my governor. For you to say that, because a lot of fake prophets like Ebukobi Debande, but they didn't themselves as a prophet, criminals. That's why I said that. Then when I said it, why production no come? Why Ebukobi no come out? Why Odumeje no come out? Why what do you call it? Mbaka no come out? Why they not come out? All those big prophets in the spirit, why they not come out? They don't have the power. I am the one that carry the mantle of God. I'm a job for Chukwuka, one of Igbo land. The most powerful author in the world, author of Chukwuka, 1.6 million angels, author of war, author of blessing, author of breakthrough, author of revelation, author of healing. You know that author. If it's not author of Chukwuka. I don't worship Mary. I don't worship Jesus. I don't worship Maywater. I don't worship Queen of Heaven. I don't belong to occults. We belong to Chukwuka, the supreme God, Almighty Yahweh, the creator of the universe, the God of Abraham, the God of Ndi Igbo, the God of our father. That's why I'm putting on this. The Lion of Tribe of Judah. I have flying, I have ego. So anyway, I want it, we're put it to task. Anybody that wants challenge you now, David Yahweh, I want to, I will take the best, but he must provide acres of land and the 50 million to start building spiritual hospital. If not so, I am not interested. But Sorudo is owing me acres of land and to build free hospital in Anambra State for spiritual healing, not doctor. Traditional people who sabi how to. Then I will be using water to heal and prayer. It will be a mountain. Zion City, the New Jerusalem. Let me tell you. Why I'm saying that because it's showing here. If you want anyone who can prove it, come to court. Can you prove your miracle? Can you prove your miracle? Now what I go use? I don't know where I link. I don't need anybody. You saw me in Anambra State. You didn't see me carry people to walk up and down. I may be the David Yahweh. Nobody. I may fight to keep a conquer land. I may save Anambra State from many evils. And no recognition. Well, thank God, my governor will recognize it. Yes, you're doing great work. You should continue. But that is not enough. This is our fault. We're waiting for him. We are not saying, give me money. I don't ask you to give me money. You're not the one to pay my flight ticket. I spend money to come to Anambra, over millions, with one of my two partners. May God bless all of you that supported that movement. We went to prison, we heal people. We bought food and give the prisoners. We went to the hospital, we heal many people. I go to the hospital, even the hospital now want to pursue me because everybody is getting well. What are you talking about? They pray, they show. They hacked my page. All the Igbo bloggers, nobody carried the miracle. I want me to come and be crapping for Okwuluora because he asking people to come and donate money. They don't know what didn't I hear people that for kidney problem? Didn't I hear people from ulcer? Didn't I hear people from the spiritual sickness? Are you blind to that miracle? Is it not a miracle? Can you do it? If you can do it, come. Let us go to Suruda and sign paper and come out. Careful. Let me tell you, putting 1 million prophets together, they cannot match me. Putting 500 doctors together, they can't do what I can do, because what they can do, I can do it. The one I cannot do, the one they cannot do, I can still do it. I hear people for 5 blood, and they came out and operated the woman, no tear, 5 blood go. Her friend who went to do operation, he let her die. What are you talking about? With the talk with evidence. The same way, Matthias, I told you, go abroad like a Ghana, India. He made some operation, business plant, or the like die. I have problem with people with water. They are still alive today. Who can show you evidence? This is not about making noise. He hacked my page 100 times. He did not take away who I am. Because one time, the time I was in the wilderness, you're using it to make money. This is the time for God to prove himself. And I want to tell you, God is doing greatest business. I told you 5 years. Well, I don't want to say it again. I've been saying it. I said 5 years. He gave me phone, but you see what will happen. Now, God showed me. That was about last week. Whether I like it or not, Kingdom of Darkness is taking over the world. Because Kingdom of Darkness, they unite together. The pastors are busy fighting each pastor. I did miracle Ebuka cannot do. He begin to call me fake. Then come out, come on, Ebu fake. In our boss. That is your problem. You're paying bloggers, you're paying people to come and be calling me fake. They will call you genuine. Come out and prove it. This is the time. You don't claim what you are not. See, but I'm not kidding now. I had 500, but I share into 4. Back I carry 100. Ebuko we carry 100. Ebemos carry 100. Odumeje carry 100. The Viewer carry 100. Ebu the real prophet share them according to diagnosis. Any hand do the then you give us like 3 months to follow them out to make sure they are healed. Able to prophet. If you want to research, put it out here now. Why you have the Ndi Igbo take a car, a bag and our spiritual thing, and a bag and war kidney plant. I'm going to Chego, a boy one doctor, Liego Naza. I'm sorry to say that because that's the truth. Go online, you see many doctors. They say they were many hospitals kill many people. Mandela law, you got import fake drugs. They put some one night tomorrow come and say, a kidney problem, a kidney problem. Have you addressed? Have government addressed the fake drugs? When you saw one I want to video kidney problem. When I want to video kidney problem. I don't want to address. I talk about it. Mandela me promote on my man get boom boy your heart. You go there promote. They give you money as a musician. So under I go quiet pretend you know could have already collected money from fake drink sellers. So why you're killing them? Have you told those your people that you're doing ambassador for that your drink is killing people? Have you told the people that you're advertising for that or my hand boosting them money? Or you don't know that kidney problem 80% contributed by all those bitters. That's why I see them, all of them are doing bitters. They are now multi-billionaire, sharing money up and down. Why their brothers are dying? How are they getting that money? Because no regulation in Nigeria, people just doing the way I like. Government is after NAFDAC. If you give them money, they give you. Well, NAFDAC will do their work from the back. They do what they want to do. Don't you know what happened in Onitsha? Huh? Do you see what happened in Onitsha? How they buy the woman? Because of what? Fake drugs. Ijaki boy na mo kwukere bu nwanne. Ije na azu no me mind dị iche iche. Kwakọcha ihe dị iche iche bi ndụ mmadụ abago n'ọnụ champagne n'ọnụ this one. Onye anwụ jena wedding ncha order kidney na ebido. Ị na-achụ ego. 80% of ihe na-eme ndị Igbo. That's why the kidney problem is more in Igbo land. According to me, mere spy. I got to fear good ebuta n'Igbo. When my man spy, I got put the Bijan and the market, the Bijan and Daba, Bijan and Daba, have you addressed that? That is our problem. So now, if you want to be healed from kidney problem, number 1, rules. Water. This is Dr. Chukwuka Dibia. Agwo Yahweh miracle water. It's not for sale. If you need it, you have to come to Lagos because you ain't Ndi Igbo, no reward. I fight him, okay, the fight choke it. And I do like say, not me, Nebuka. In case you don't be a miracle, and I do like say, I no see him. I wasn't to be Lagos. The only what will bring me to Anambra State is Sorudo. He will pay me by providing land, acres of land. The same way Governor Hope puts on do to Ebukobi and honor him and support him to build that Ngobala. If Sorudo cannot support me to build that, you understand that prophets are not pastor. It is duty to build that. Everybody and they will provide there. This time I never asked for it, but this time because he come for the challenge. And I've come for the challenge and finished. So Governor Sorudo, he must provide acres of land. I must provide the money to build the spiritual hospital because no hospital in Anambra can cure spiritual sickness. So I'm waiting for your call. 0903-222-6076. Because I'll give you things I want to do and you know, there's no time for us to discuss. Like that period was your birthday period. But I'm equal to the tax. Anytime you're ready, we're ready. But I'm going to Anambra State down, I'm going up and down. I won't do that. Because even there's no security for me, but I have to do it because I've said I'm coming to do it. It's your duty to take care of me. You didn't do that. But he did Bukobi criminal over 100 million in Anambra State. Was he the one that Bukobi is more Anambra than me? Bukobi go to Imo State and they collected land from governor and still come from Anambra State. How many prophets have you given money in Anambra State? So let me ask. Or we are not prophets. You can't be more prophet than me in my own country. You do your work as a before you came to the city, we have been fighting to in 2015. I have spent over 30 million naira. Go to Abakaleke Street and see it. It's my investment. Just to save humanity. And later lost the land. It's there. No, let us go there. If you did not see anything that I do in Anambra State, you know I are here to make mouth. Anambra is not owned by one person. And the way you're treating those market people are complaining. I don't want to talk about it. I don't say you're not working. You're doing wonderful work, but please take it easy in the market and in Anambra. Obodo Sirikana. No, he can go everywhere. You cannot close his shop no more up and down. And then on day, so you make some people to join him, bad gang, joining kidnapping, joining so many things. You're a professor, but you still need wisdom from a prophet. If Ebukobi can go and meet his prophet, and meet his governor, he give him a cast of land, and then question, and give him over how many million to support him? How many have you given to me? In our parade, he fight to kill. You fight to kill. No, let me ask you. You are a prophet, you're a politician, you face your work.